Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to display mouse and keyboard operations when you're working in Blender. So that is what I'm going to explain. So for that, right, we need to install the add-on. Go to this website and download the Screencast keys. So download it. So it's downloaded. Now I'm going to install it in Blender. So for that we need to go to Edit and click on this Preferences. Here I choose Add-ons. Here we need to go to Install. Screen. So this is the file I have recently downloaded. I'm selecting it. Install add-on. Now go to Community. Enter Screen. So it is there. And just enable it. So this is the Screencast key. Super cool. That's it. It's installed successfully. I'm closing it. Type N to open the toolbox or click on this item. Here you can see Screencast keys. So click on that. You can see that whatever right actions I'm going to perform, that will be displaying here. I'm performing some actions, but it is not reflecting because I need to enable it. Here you can see these options. Enable. So now I'm going to perform. You can see that what and all actions I'm performing, right? That is displaying in the left side. You have to enable this checkbox. So you can increase the size as well. So font size. Sorry, I disabled it. Okay. Wow, super cool. So no background. I'm removing it. So now you can see the actions. So I'm pressing middle mouse button and I'm pressing scale button 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Pressing D, rotating for or. Super cool. So I think this is cool, right? Also, you can change the color as well. So if you want to make it red, you can make it, or white, you can choose that. So here I'm going to perform some actions here. Super, it is changed. And you can increase the display time here. This is for 3 seconds. So you can increase up to 10. So this is an offset. You can change the alignment as well. So if you want to center right, it will be displaying in center. But I want to make it in the right side. You can keep it in the right side. So it's coming here, but I want to keep it left side itself. That is fine. That's it, friends. This is the way you can display keyboard actions and mouse actions in Blender. Do not forget to enable the screencast keys. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks to me. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.